Hello everybody. Today we're going to see about the introduction about the Applied Biosystem Thermo Fisher TaqPath COVID-19 RT-PCR Combo Kit. Just going to show you, it is basically for 1000 reaction kit. I'm just going to give you an introduction about that kit and what are the contents of this kit. If you place an order for 1000 reaction single kit, you typically get 6 boxes. So these are the 6 boxes we just kept on the top to show you what are the things that comes along with the kit. Look at the this is the main RT-PCR kit. You can see this kit. Okay, and I can move to the other, because you get the 2 boxes of this one, which is TaqPath COVID-19 Control Dilution Buffer. We get 2 boxes. This is how it looks like. Yeah, 2 tubes in each box. You can see that. And there is let me give you an introduction button. Then you have another 2 boxes, which is basically the TaqPath COVID-19 control positive control. You can see that. Okay, then I want to show you the other one. The 6th box is like a master mix box, which is a 10 ml box. This is the kit. You can see this kit. You can see this. I'm just also sharing the stock videos of these kits. Typically it has to be maintained in the temperature of -10 to -30 degrees Celsius. You can see we kept it in the deep freezer. So quickly to summarize, if you order a kit of TaqPath COVID-19 RT-PCR Combo Kit of Thermo Fisher, you will get 6 boxes, which has a 1000 reaction main RT-PCR box, and 2 boxes of the dilution buffer, control dilution buffer, and the control 2 box of control, and you get the master mix box. You can see just quickly the videos of how it is stored. I just kept one kit on the top of the freezer. You can see this. Thank you. This is the introduction about the kit. Thank you.